So, hello mga Roa Squad. So, it's a shout out time. So, let's proceed. So, ang sabi ni Jasmine Lai, daming Vans noong araw. Yan ang brand ko. Next is Gia Trantoy Trang Vaamnak. I don't understand her message, but it's in different language. But shout out to you, Miss Gia Tran. And next is Prince Philip. He said, astig, gaganda po lahat. So next natin siya shout out is sila Kai Sherwin G, Dan Pulpak Pumamula at Donna B. Next is Rax Pinay, watching replay, full support breast cancer. Next is Balmazeda family. Pa-shout out naman host, hey, ingat. Ayan, shout out Balmazeda family from Qatar. So next is all about Mark. Stay safe always, mommy. Thank you so much. Next is the strings. Great advocacy. God bless you all in your daily endeavors, Donna B. Next is Kuya Mike PB. Nice golden retriever at Siberian Husky. They're so cute. Yes, so cute lahat ng mga doggy doon. And next is Kuya Jim TV. Cute naman ang mga dog. Shout out. Yahoo! Next is Australia Byfield. Ang cute naman ng doggies. Dan Suklisis, thanks for sharing. And next is Joyce the Explorer, Hong Kong. I love dogs. Sige, basta yung maliit lang mga huggy type. Thank you so much. And next is Cute Ella. Wow, ganda ng kulay ng fish. Donna B. Next is the official Winston. Tapos na sa pagkain. Dito naman tayo sa mga hayop, Ate May. Ha ha ha. And next is April Christian. Palapad na isda at ang dami ng colors. Nice, nice, nice. So, yun lang po ang mga random shoutout natin dun sa mga shorts video and yung part 2 ng breast cancer ko. Dun ko kinuha yung mga nagko-comment randomly para masaya. So, yun lang po. God bless everyone. Let's proceed to my next new vlog. Hayan. Hello mga Roafamilysquad Squad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, our video for today is we're going to unbox this Huawei tablet that I bought to my daughter Gianna. So, this is new release. This is new release of Panda. Let's see. Huawei Mate Pad T. Kids edition. See? Okay. So I bought this directly in Huawei shop, in their store, in Huawei store. So this is for kids, but adults also can use this pad. It's kidscorner. It's eye protection and parental assistance. So you can do whatever all the parents to like, for example, the timer of the videos or the games that our kids were going to watch. We have to set the time para hindi naman sila babad watching or doing something or like in educational inside on this pad. So kailangan din may limit yung panonood ng ating mga kids in this pad. So, is it cute, right? Very cute. So, once again, this one. So, this cost is only 499 Qatar Riyals. Let's say so 1 Riyal, 500 Riyals, 6,000 plus in pesos. So, we're going to open. I'll show you. There is also the bag. And the good thing is they have Huawei gift. First, we have to unbox first the Huawei gift. So let's see what's inside in the Huawei gift. So when you purchase this iPad, let's say Huawei Mate Pad, they have this Huawei gift. Oh no! What a lovely. Let's see what's inside. It's color orange. I'll show you once again. See? Dadan! They have mug. Thermos. 450 ml. Very nice. So this is, so there is a strainer. for example juices like lemon juice for the seeds, or the tea bag. Very nice. So most of Huawei, when they have new products release, they always give promotion giveaways. I don't know if this promotion, but they always having um, gift. Oh, it's bag, tote bag. What a lovely tote bag. Orange na orange. So it's a tote bag. Oh, I like this. It's a tote bag. Lovely tote bag. So this tote bag, yan. As you can see, orange na orange. I love this tote bag. And one more gift is, wow, what is this? And there's a handle. Let's open it. How to open? Oh, with a mirror. USB. I mean cable, charging cable wire. See? Nice one. Extra cable wire for charging. May pa-mirror pa. Nice, super nice. They have a nice gift. So, kaya ako bumili agad nito because first release nila, and we asked Lulu, we asked City Center, Carrefour, and anywhere in the mall store, wala silang stock. So, yung office mate ko, because he searched it, meron siya nakita dun sa Intertec, direct sa Huawei dun sa Al Nasser, sa may Al Nasser sa Huawei. So, sugod agad kami. Nauna na siyang bumili, and then sinabi niya sa akin. So, pumunta din ako agad after work. Sumugod din ako. So, ayan. Kasi maganda siya for kids. So, once again, this is the Huawei gift. So, ito yung laman niya. Tote bag, cable wire, and the mag. Thermos mag. Let's proceed to this. Holy cover. It's Huawei Mate Pad. Yan. Okay, I'll show you one more. Okay, daran. So this is it. Okay. For sure, Gia will love this because she's always borrowing my phone. Oh no. And they have them. This is it. This is the handle. Okay. And this salesman, the guy there in Huawei, he already installed everything para hindi na ako magkagulo-gulo. Ayan. So, ayan. Oops. So, ayan yung laman niya. Ayan. So, may mga games siya. Ayan. Kids corner.
That's all for today.
That's all for today daw.
Can't wait to play again next time.
Okay.
That's all for today.
I know. So, meron talaga siyang timer, and the mother will go into, ito yun, Interkids corner. So, may mga password siya para sa mga kids natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Na-set ko na kasi ito eh. So, I'm going to exit. Hindi lang siya pang marami siyang features, you know. For may mga games siya. And then, social, what's this? Lifestyle. Sa lahat na nandito. Tapos social media, mga social, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Tapos ito yung, bumalik tayo doon. So, basta ito.
That's all for today.
So, marami siyang feature. Pwede siyang, meron din siyang Zoom. In-uploadan ko din siya ng Zoom.
That's all for today.
I know. Ba yan? Pabalik-balik. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, marami talaga siyang feature. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Pwede siyang paganon, landscape, or portrait. Ayan. So, Gia will love it. And this is the handle. And pwede mo siyang i-ganon. Meron siyang pen. Ayan, meron siyang pen. May pa-pen pa. Chak. This is the lovely. Very nice. Oh, no. Okay. So, that is for today. This video's unboxing. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin channel. So don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the notification bell for always updating to my new vlog on yun lang. So, thank you everyone. God bless and mabuhay. Always spread love and kindness to everyone. Be humble and always thankful to God. Charan! God bless. Bye!
A few moments
One more
later.
pa pala yung mga ano niya. Ito yung pin. Meron siyang pa-pin para sa SIM card. And then, yung cable charging niya. Ayan. Cable charging. What else? Ayan. Yung plug niya sa charging. So, what else? Wala siyang earphones. Wala siyang. Yun lang. Ito lang siya meron. So, that's it.
A few moments later.
Shout out to my Roas Angels, Geraldine Vlogs, Mamo Jess Vlog, Darla's Fun Toys, Nans Online TV, Jelly Binks, April Christianne, Jasmine Lai, Yuya TV, Tisay Von, Sat Inplay, CJ Carolina, Donna V. Chong, The Official Winston, Jenna VB, Prince Philip, Elsie Rapana, Manilyn Zamora Vlogs, Bebe Napoles, Ronren Sabado Vlog,